Zimbabwe's first female combat helicopter pilot was killed in a fiery helicopter crash in Arcturus, 32 kilometers east of Harare, on Friday. 30-year-old Flight Lieutenant Annita Mapiye, who has flown President Emmerson Mnangagwa, was killed with another pilot, a wing commander, and a technician when an Air Force of Zimbabwe Bell 412 crashed into a house in the Hukuru neighbourhood. A child who was on the ground died after the helicopter caught fire, while a young girl and her mother are admitted at Parirenyatwa Hospital in Harare after suffering burns. Air Force of Zimbabwe Commander Air Marshal Elson Moyo issued a statement offering his condolences, but did not name the crash victims. But friends of Mapiye have been paying tribute to the history-making pilot on social media. She recently gave birth, and this fact alone has devastated everyone who knew her and worked with her, a friend said. The Air Force said the crew, who took off from Manyame Air Force Base, was on a general handling training sortie over Seke and Domboshava when they lost contact, triggering a search and rescue effort. Air Marshal Moyo said an air accident investigation would begin immediately to establish what caused the crash. Mapiye joined the Air Force in 2012 at the age of 21. In a 2019 interview, she said, "The road to where I am today was not a walk in the park. We were training with men, carrying out the same duties with them, and we were expected to perform equally. That's when I told myself that I can do what men can do, and that became my everyday motto, and the motto kept me going." Mapiye came fifth in the basic military training out of 46 trainees, but would fly until 2015 when she sat in the cockpit of a Janet SF-260 fixed-wing. She admitted being terrified on her first flight. "My first day flying was a nightmare. I was screaming and my instructor was very annoyed," she recalled. "I went home scared." After finally conquering her fears and passing her flight training, Mapiye enlisted for combat helicopter training. Her dream was to fly the President and rescue missions, both of which she accomplished before her death. "My word of advice to other women and girls is they should always think positively of themselves and be innovative for change. Build your lives, think smart and be confident," she said back in 2019.
Hello guys, how are you, and welcome back again to Africa for You. So today we're going to be talking about Miss Mapiye. According to the Sunday Mail, the Air Force of Zimbabwe is in mourning after a horrific accident that claims two lives. That claimed the two lives of pilots and aircraft technicians. The pilots who perished are Wing Commander Thomas Tinashe Manyowa and Flight Lieutenant Annita Mapiye, while the aircraft technician is a flight sergeant Tino Diwanashe Chikami. The helicopter accident also claimed the life of an 18-year claimed the life of an 18-month-old toddler identified as Jade Fenyere, who was sleeping with her twin sister Jada when the Augustin Bell 412 helicopter crashed into their house. Before the unfortunate accident, the deceased pilot, Wing Commander Manyowa, and Flight Lieutenant Mapiye trended on social media platforms after they recently flew one of the helicopters that transported officials to the opening ceremony of a new bridge to access Garanda Mission Hospital. So guys, they say this woman Mapiye was the first female helicopter flight or helicopter pilot in Zimbabwe. The late Wing Commander Manyowa was a highly proficient helicopter pilot with more than 20 years of flying experience. He was born on the 2nd of February 1981 in Banket, and after attestation into AFZ in 1999, he was commissioned as an officer and subsequently awarded his flying wing on the 23rd of April 2001. In addition to other routine flying tasks, he flew the AB-412 helicopter on a number of operations such as search and rescue mission after the devastating effect of Cyclone Idai in 2019, and the rescue and relief operation after the Dogwe Mukosi flood. Then this woman, Mapiye, was born on 3rd of April 1991. She was so young, in Harare, and was attested into the AFZ on 27th September 2012. She earned her flying wing on the 11th of July 2017 after graduating at number 6 Squadron in Josia Tunga Mirai Air Force Base. In 2019, the late Flight Lieutenant Mapiye made history when she successfully completed a helicopter conversion course to become the first female combat helicopter in the AFZ. The aircraft technician, the late Flight Sergeant Chikambi, was born on the 27th February 1994 in Zaga and was attested into AFZ on 28 June 2030 as a trainee aircraft technician. He successfully completed the training in 2016 and was posted to number 8 Squadron at Manyame Air Force Base, where he served as helicopter technician until the time of untimely death.